if you have to replace this hood lock from Volkswagen Golf 5 variant, so how to do it? Basically, you have to remove these two screws. Then afterwards, under there you have two other screws. Then you gently pull this upwards, and then down to yourself. And then you have to release three screws. And here you have to unplug this connector for the switch which registers whether you open or close the hood. And also you have to open this up to release the wire which pulls the plug to release the hood from this lock. Other than that, do not touch these screws. You don't have to remove it. Also, you could leave the plate on. I remove it because I didn't know. Sometimes you'll have to release these screws, but for different cars maybe it's a little bit different, but for mine 2007 it's like this: two screws, remove two screws in the bottom, two screws on the top, remove this one, then three screws here, release the switch, release the wire, and you're good to go.